Hello, welcome back to another session of Richard Katzman fly tying, and I have a size 4 light wired hook in my hand, and the first thing I'm going to do is mash down the barb, and we'll set that in my vise. Okay, and I'm going to take a small liner tube and I'm just going to slide that over the hook point so I don't stick myself. And that's a good tip. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some red stomach thread from Vivis, and this thread is very slippery. It also is very flat when you tie it onto the shank. And it also breaks easily. Cut off the remainder, and now we'll put in a half hitch knot. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to tie that the end of this after feather, and now I'm going to cut off the stem here of this after feathers, and we're going to separate this thread. Okay, and I'll go ahead and clamp that in between the threads, and we'll start to tighten the threads back together again. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take a couple of feathers from the pheasant, and they look like that. Okay, and now I'm going to just cut a few fibers off at the bottom of these feathers. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and now I'm going to take some brown red game type A feathers, some fibers at the end here, and we'll just go and cut it off here. Okay. Alright, and we'll just put in a half hitch knot. And I'm going to take some RB Rooster Cape invariant. And I'll just cut that off. I'll just take a couple of fibers on either side of the bottom of the stem here. Okay. Alright, and we're going to put in a double half hitch knot. Okay, and we'll just and we'll put in a double half hitch knot there. And now I'll take my whip finish tool and I'll take my head cement and we'll just spread that. Put that in liberally, and I'm going to take a couple of red eyes. And we'll put one on your side. And turn this over and we'll put one on my side. And we'll take some UV resin. Okay, and now we'll just go ahead and set that. Set the two eyes. Okay, and now we'll put some more of that UV resin. On the bottom. Alright, and I'm just going to put some more around the eye. And turn it over and put some more along the eye on my side. Okay. Take off the tube. And there we are. And this is called the Red Eyed Hanover. And I think it's a nice little fly. It's going to be very nice in the water. Under the water, it's a wet fly. It likes to move. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on my picture in the lower right hand corner. And on the next screen, click on that bell so that you can be apprised of any new uploads that I put up. And if you'd like, please click on the like button. That would be very nice. If you have any nice comments to leave in the comment section, that would be great to see. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section as well, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I possibly can. Until then, have a great day and tight lines.